In 2025, earn online effortlessly using free AI tools like Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT. Discover how these tools can help anyone create content, offer services, or sell digital products without needing technical skills. Embrace AI to enhance your online presence and income. In 2025, AI tools revolutionize online earning. Platforms like Canva and ChatGPT empower you to create content, offer services, or sell products with ease. No technical skills? No problem. These tools are designed for everyone, from students to freelancers. Embrace AI and watch your income grow effortlessly. Learn how to harness these tools today and transform your online presence. Discover how AI tools like Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT are transforming content creation. These platforms simplify design, video editing, and script writing, making creativity accessible to all. Whether you're a student or a freelancer, these tools offer user-friendly interfaces that require no technical skills. Embrace AI to enhance your creative projects effortlessly. Learn how these innovations can empower your content creation journey today. Explore exciting ways to earn with AI. Launch a YouTube channel using AI tools for content creation. Offer services on Fiverr, leveraging AI to enhance your skills. Dive into social media, using AI to optimize engagement. Finally, create and sell digital products, with AI streamlining design and production. These methods open doors for everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Embrace AI to unlock new income streams and transform your financial future today. Creating videos with AI is now a breeze. Start with generating a script using AI tools, ensuring engaging content. Next, effortlessly produce your video, leveraging AI for editing and effects. Finally, upload your masterpiece to YouTube with just a few clicks. This process makes video production accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skills. Embrace AI to simplify content creation and share your stories with the world. In today's digital age, the demand for AI-generated content is skyrocketing. Brands and influencers are eager for polished, high-quality results. By mastering AI tools, you can create content that captivates and converts. This opens up exciting monetization opportunities, as businesses are willing to pay for top-notch AI-driven content. Dive into this new frontier and transform your creativity into a profitable venture. Remember, with AI, the possibilities are endless, and your journey to monetization starts now. Embarking on AI content creation? Start by focusing on one platform to streamline your efforts. Practice consistently to hone your skills and build a compelling portfolio. Leverage AI tools to create standout content that attracts potential clients. Remember, with dedication and the right tools, your journey into AI content creation can be both rewarding and exciting. Dive in, explore, and let your creativity shine as you establish your presence in the digital world. Explore innovative AI tools like Lumen 5 for effortless video creation and Otter.ai for precise meeting summaries. Dive into Copy.ai for creative writing assistance, Durable for seamless website building, and Perplexity for in-depth research. These tools simplify complex tasks, making them accessible for everyone. Embrace these technologies to enhance productivity and creativity, opening new avenues for earning online. With these AI tools, transform your everyday tasks into opportunities for growth and innovation. Start your journey today and see the difference.